hairstyle using this bandana, as these bandanas are super trending these days. But before moving towards the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel, and अगर ज़्यादा पसंद आ जाए तो please share भी कर देना. So yeah, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. For the first hairstyle, what you have to do is make a low messy bun, and let me show you how. Now take the bandana and fold it like this. Now what you have to do is take this, tie a cute knot with. For the second hairstyle, all you need is just a rubber band, and we are going to make the simple hair ponytail but with a twist. So let me show you how. Now take the bandana and place it just here and twist it. You need to twist at the back and then twist it like this. And now we are going to just